Within hours of launching, Black Myth: Wukong became the #1 most played single-player game in Steam's 20-year history. In fact, with a peak concurrent user count of 2.4 million players, the only game to ever achieve a higher PCCU was PUBG. And that wasn't day one. So why is this game from a small developer in China more than doubling the world record previously held by Cyberpunk 2077? The answer is multifaceted, involving cultural significance, China's game industry breakthrough, game development cycle challenges, and of course, the game design itself. Wukong the Monkey King is probably the only fictional character that almost all Chinese people know, and most would call him the hero of my childhood. From a gifted but untamed monkey to a Buddha-blessed hero with countless tricks up his sleeve, Wukong's journey is one of self-realization and overcoming not just Yaoguai, the monsters, but also his own desires. Now that we finally get a chance to experience the legend with a black myth twist, players are really excited to venture out and face the dark destiny of the Monkey King. Despite having the world's biggest digital entertainment conglomerate, Tencent, the gaming world only knows China for mobile, gacha, free-to-play, microtransaction games. Black Myth: Wukong is the first RPG of AAA production value that's been made by a Chinese team alone. It is something that all gamers and game designers in China are proud to present to the world. We're celebrating one of the most iconic heroes in China in our own way. This game also went through an extremely long development cycle. Its initial teaser trailer was released in 2020 and instantly blew up. Everyone was like, oh, this Chinese game dev team is actually cooking something. Let them cook. Big hype means big money. But money also means investors think they know how to make this a cool game. So in the following years with COVID, this studio went through a lot of ups and downs with investment, development, and reputation. There was also a good bit of controversy surrounding the game because of sexist comments and practices from the game's developer, Game Science, its CEO, and its founder. The game's co-publisher, Hero Games, also sent content creators an extensive list of topics not to discuss while streaming Black Myth: Wukong, including violence, the state of China's game industry, and quote-unquote feminist propaganda. It also barred offensive language as well as the words quarantine, isolation, or COVID-19. Finally, game design. This game is Dark Souls aesthetic, God of War gameplay, and Death Stranding level cinematic storytelling, combined with historically accurate environment and lore. Do you agree? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech and gaming news from Newegg.